Former US President Donald Trump has been pleaded not guilty for 34 counts of felony. So now, Trump being charged, Trump arrested. Shocking news. Now, previously, Trump protesting election, protesting White House. Shocking news. Coronavirus comments by Trump. China, that is Chinese virus. What? Still shocking news. Trump indeed made America great again, but made America great in the bad way. Trump took America, I think, a lot of steps backward. But now, his arrest should be treated constitutionally. First of all, I would like to thank America for showing example to the leaders, to the countries around the world, that no matter what, you're not immune. No matter how rich you are, or you're a former president, you're not immune to justice. Secondly, I would like Trump also to be treated fairly in the court of law. Now, I want to remind people the saddest part of Trump's leadership. When Trump was elected president at the time of coronavirus, he insisted and never helped Trump. We all know America is a superpower. And the role of superpower is not just to boast that you're the biggest, because you don't become superpower alone. You got a lot of resources from around the world like gold, diamond, and the rest. Maybe in the time of slavery and also by buying it. So being a superpower is just to control the world pillar correctly, not by destabilizing it. So when coronavirus came in, Donald Trump started serious blame game. What America used to do whenever they hear about virus anywhere, being it Ebola and the rest, they send their team, military and medical team, to do research, try to combat it in that area, and treat it and cure it in that area. But Trump instead started insulting China, that in fact he wanted it to be called Chinese virus. It's true that they might have escaped from love in China, but now, first, the most important thing was to contain it. The time that Trump was exchanging words with Chinese president is the time that the virus was spreading, because people were moving around the world. He even forgot that by the time he realized that he should close US border, it was too late to ban China from traveling to USA. It was too late. Even trying to ban China at the right time, still Chinese are moving to Europe, Africa, and other continents. Still it would bring the virus into USA through other countries. So the best option was to try to contain it in one immediately by helping or working together. These are situations that you put your enmity aside, then you come back to the enmity after solving the problem. So now, bringing Trump to this spotlight is a lesson to a lot of people that your finance is not an immunity. But also on the other hand, fair treatment is needed in this law. And I believe America is going to do exactly that. Thank you.